I can see from looking in the pot that you're making flanken cut short ribs. That's wonderful.
Yes. A very special recipe by somebody very special that passed it on to me, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And as I said, everything's feel, so we're just gonna go for the feel of it, right?
That's the way I
Is it time to start? Do I go like
for
dive
it.
in? Okay, here we go. So we have the bulgogi sauce, and I just pour it all over, and then I like to mix it up, right? And get it in there and get it all nice and yummy.
That's kind of sexy.
Yeah, right? Yeah, that hence the red dress. Then we have some beer, which I love. Of course, you know, Modelo, a little beer to put on top because that always makes everything better. I'm gonna wipe this, sorry, honey. I'm gonna wipe my hands. By the way,
ready
this is
for you,
very
baby.
exciting.
I'm here for you.
I do a dash of honey because I like things to feel like sweet and
little
salty.
bit of sweet and sour
a little,
and salty,
a little
right?
sweet and salty, right? And just do a little dash of that. We have our soy sauce. And by the way, you can jump in and do this with me too. So a little soy sauce.
You're doing
And again,
great.
we're gonna mix it up. And then can I have some salt and pepper?
Sure, babe.
Perfect, so some salt and pepper. And I love cooking where it really expands the kids' palates. I like them loving different things and trying different things.
I love that you brought that up.
Yeah.
That's such an important thing, not
cooking
to
should be
dumb
fun,
down.
right?
And don't dumb down
Exactly.
kids' food.
And then we're gonna cover this, and at the same time, I love rice. We make rice literally almost every night in our house. So we're gonna do this. Hold on, where's our
out of your way.
rice pot? We're gonna open this, we're gonna pour in our water, and we're gonna put our rice in so that that is cooking at the same time as our short ribs. And we put a little bit of butter, a little salt. Who else loves to have rice in their house? Because that's just like a staple.
Baby, you want me to put the onions in the pot with the beef?
Yes, and then we're gonna make some caramelized onions at the same time, which is very exciting.
Did they not go in there?
No, you can put them in there too. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Too late
Why
now.
don't we do both?
All right, good. All right.
We'll put some for flavor in there.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna just reach over here and go like
And
this.
throw some in the little thing.
Perfect.
She's
over
fishing
here.
it out.
Here we go. No, I'm not
so
fishing it
sorry.
out. What, you are the professional chef. What do I know?
Let's get on to your cucumbers here.
So over here, I love cucumber salads. So right here, we're gonna mix in this yummy sweet sauce, and you can go to Rachel's website to see all about it. And then we put some sesame oil. This is so easy and so delicious, you guys. Then
And a
we
little
sprinkle
sesame.
some sesame seeds and some salt. And then what we do is we put out ginger, and we put out all these
Some
different,
kimchi.
some kimchi.
Yep. The
and we have
caramelized onions.
And yeah, and then we have our rice.
Should I reveal this?
Absolutely, here we go.
Whoa, gorgeous.
Isn't that so yummy? Sorry, I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess.
That's okay.
And by the way, my kitchen is very messy because I do have 4 kids that are all different ages, and I'm always, you know, trying to cook and do everything for everyone and be mommy and all that, so.
Well, I think that
does
every
turn out
woman
really
in the room
beautiful.
can probably relate to it.
Yes, absolutely. And isn't this just so yummy? And then you can put some ginger.
And a little ginger.
Right.
All right.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Okay.
Okay.
We also wanted to make sure that we make time to talk about your project. We're working with GSK and Soleil. You partnered with them.
Yes.
Tell them all about
Ask
it.
to Be Sure campaign, which I'm so proud to be a part of. It's been so amazing, and I've been doing it with my 17-year-old daughter, which has been so amazing.
I love that. You made it Mother's Day.
So myself, like so many families, assumed that when my kids were little, they had the meningitis vaccination. I did not realize that meningitis B is completely different, and it's so important for families to understand, be empowered, have these conversations with their young ones and their doctors, and really ask to be sure. And so now my daughter, who's 17, has gotten her first meningitis B vaccination, and as they're going into college, sharing smaller spaces, it's very important for them to be aware of this and really to have this conversation.
I think it's important for everyone to have adult conversations with their doctors and their healthcare providers about the importance of getting the shots that you need.
I assumed that the meningitis vaccination was the same one that they get when they're little, and not a totally different vaccination.
No.
So it's really important that we
And it changes all the
ourselves.
time also.
Yeah.
Like everything else, if we all just talk to each other instead of being scared of each other or scared of information, I think we'd all be a lot healthier and safer in every way.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So where do people get more information about this?
They can go to asktobesure.com and they can learn more, they can have that conversation.
And we'll link through from our site as well. If you're watching now, you can just check on it. And just educate yourself. That's all. Just read. That's all we're asking you to do. Spend a minute.
Have the conversation as families and friends.